Hey girl, hey, it's Ashley and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton 6 keychain holder. A little bit of a backstory. I randomly one day decided that I wanted this 6 keychain holder. I saw someone's video and I was like, that's a really good idea because my keychain already looks pretty ratchet. I need to get on my grown woman stuff and I already have a Louis Vuitton bag that I wear every day, so this keychain holder would be the perfect addition. So that's really how it came about. I did some research, went to the website, and when I tried to purchase it, it said check store for availability. So anyways, went to the Louis Vuitton store. They did not have it there, so the nice sales associate looked it up and found some in Austin. They had a bunch there and we ordered it, purchased it there, and they shipped it to the store and I went and picked it up. So I have not even opened it yet, so you guys are going to experience it for the first time with me. Well, I did see it at the store. They did show it to me, but they boxed it up and it has been sitting on my couch ever since. So today we're gonna unbox it together. Okay, so let's get on with it. I will try not to rant. I will try my hardest not to rant. Here it is, guys. This is, of course, the signature orange Louis Vuitton bag that it comes in. No tissue paper or anything fancy like that. Blah. And here is a small little box it comes in with the blue ribbon. Take it off, it's Christmas time. Okay, and then I'm just gonna open it. And here's the dust bag that it comes in. This is it. Okay, so this is an up-close view of the keychain holder. If I can focus, you can see on the button it says Louis Vuitton and the back of it is just blank. Open it up and I already have my keychains in there. I don't have 6 keys on there as of yet, but I definitely will be filling it up soon. There's also Louis Vuitton Paris stamped inside. The key ring holders are able to rotate 360 degrees, and I'm going to show you guys that. They can move up, down, which makes it easily accessible if you want to just stick one key out and have it ready. It'll just hang out and you can turn it whatever way you need to open whatever you need to open. So it makes it super convenient. Also, with my key fob for my truck, I was worried that it was going to be a little too big, but it fits perfectly. And I also have the option of just letting it hang out, which I think looks fine, but it also looks good inside and it doesn't feel bulky, doesn't look lumpy. You can see it from there. It looks perfect. It fits perfectly. So I am very happy and pleased with that. So this is the little envelope that the receipt comes in. Open that. I have the business card of the guy who helped me. Love him. Very helpful. And let's see, how much was it? So the keychain holder was $250 itself, and then they charged $20 tax, so $270.63, which I know it sounds like a lot for essentially a key ring, but this is more than just a key ring. You can actually put your little ID and credit card here if you want, keep your keys and your car keys in here and carry it around like this. So it's really versatile. And I just feel like it's really nice and clean and sleek and minimal, which is totally me these days. And I just needed something that was going to be nice quality that I will have forever. I can't tell you how many times, guys, I have bought a keychain and it has broken or got it rusted, dusted, and ugly. So I just wanted to get something that represented me, would grow with me, and I could keep for a long time. And I plan on passing all of my luxury things down to my kids and grandkids. So these are things that you can keep, y'all, forever. That is my unboxing for the Louis Vuitton 6-ring keyhole. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful and informative. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So hit that subscribe button, y'all. Hit it and the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we post a video. And as always, love you. Bye, Glam Dolls.